Here one in today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix Grok AI video moderated problem or video moderation service error on PC. So the first solution you can try is adjust NSFW preferences. If your account allows it, navigate to your account setting, often found by clicking your profile by username, and check if there is an option to toggle on allow NSFW content or adjust content filters. This can sometimes prevent the system from over moderating content. Now, this is the first solution, and if this doesn't work, the next solution you can try is head over to your browser and click on the three dot option, go to settings, click on privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, and check this box of cached image and files only, and select all time, and then click on delete data and check this fixes your problem or not. And the next solution you can try is check your connection. A weak and unstable internet connection can sometimes trigger moderation service errors. Try switching networks or resetting your connection. And the next thing you can try is review content guidelines. Ensure your content you're trying to generate or animate does not violate community guidelines. Even the adjusted settings, some content may still be restricted. Now, the last solution that you can try is simply refresh the page of Grok AI and see if this fixes your problem or not. And I hope one of these solutions fixes your problem. And if this video helped you out, please like this video and thanks for watching.